Hi, welcome back with me, Rusmix Life. I'm the most famous, talented artist. My art, one piece of my art, let me tell you, is cost 9 million USD at least. When I paint like Banksy, you know. I just spray on the wall, random wall, and bam, 5 million USD. I'm like Picasso, making a couple of shapes, triangle, square, or X. Bam, $1 trillion. I'll be shitting on my pants and sell the pants for $9 trillion. I shit and then I sell my pants. $9 trillion. You guys don't know me? I am that guy. Rusmix Life, the most famous artist in the world. Look, if you think of the word art, subconsciously your brain will think of me. Rusmix Life. I could be just signing my autograph on the pathway of the road, on the pavement, and the government have to block the road. Car be crashing, people be dying just because of my artwork. That's how famous I am. Dude, you don't even know. If you don't know my name, dude, you must be non-human. You must be some kind of alien species or whatever. Don't even get me talking about the girls. When I pull up with my brush stick, I just pull up with my Lamborghini and I pull up my brush stick. Zip. Here you go, girls. Look at my brush stick. It's like, do you know Michael Jackson? It's like Michael Jackson when he's screaming hee hee hoo hoo and holding his pee and he's doing yoo hoo ha ha shamona. Girls be screaming. Literally, girls be throwing themselves at me. Literally. And that's how I die. By girls' body throwing themselves at me. That's how I die. Bye bye. See ya. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe. Follow me on IG. Thank you. Bye bye.